Hello students, good morning to all. In earlier class, we discussed about different types of gene disorders or Mendelian disorders. In that, autosomal and allosomal we discussed. So, autosomal dominant and autosomal recessive and allosomal dominant and allosomal recessive gene disorders we discussed. So, gene disorders are hereditary. So next type of genetic disorders are chromosomal disorders. So earlier we discussed the flow chart. So in that chromosomal disorders are also called syndromes. So these are non-hereditary. These disorders are non-hereditary, right? So today's class we are going to discuss about different types of chromosomal disorders. What is the reasons for the chromosomal disorders? So first point, the chromosomal disorders on the other hand are caused due to absence or excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. So chromosomal disorders on other hand are caused due to what is the reason for the chromosomal disorders? The reason for the chromosomal disorders, absence or excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosome. Any of extra chromosome is presented, any chromosome is absent or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosome, it causes syndromes or also called chromosomal disorders. Right? Understood first point? Right. So next point. Failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division cycle results in the gain or loss of chromosomes called aneuploidy. Earlier we discussed it at the time of mutations. We discussed at that topic. We discussed aneuploidy. So what is meant by aneuploidy? Failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division cycle result in the gain or loss of chromosomes called aneuploidy, right? So at the time of the cell division, the failure of the segregation of chromatids, so it causes what? Either gain or loss of chromosomes. Either extra chromosome is added or one chromosome is depleted, deleted. So that type of the condition is called aneuploidy. Okay. For example, given here, for example, in Down's syndrome, next point, for example, in Down's syndrome, results in the gain of extra copy of chromosome number 21. So in the Down syndrome is one of the syndrome of a chromosomal disorder. In that, extra chromosome is added for chromosome number 21, right? So for 21st chromosome, extra chromosome is added. Next point. Similarly, Turner's syndrome results due to loss of an X chromosome in human females. So in the Down's syndrome, extra chromosome is added for 21st chromosome, and in the Turner's syndrome, loss of X chromosome is takes place in the human females. So either extra chromosome added or loss of the chromosome is takes place. That is called aneuploidy, and it causes different types of the syndromes. Okay, right. Next point. Failure of a cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division results in an increase in a whole set of chromosome in organism, and the phenomena is known as polyploidy. Aneuploidy means either one chromosome are added or depleted, that is aneuploidy. So what is meant by polyploidy? Poly means many. Failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division results in an increase in a whole set of chromosomes. In a whole set of chromosome is going to be changes. That type of the phenomena is called polyploidy. The polyploid generally occurs in the plants. Up to this clear, this condition is often seen in the plants. Okay, this is regarding about aneuploidy and polyploidy. Okay. Next point. The total number of chromosomes in a normal human cell is 46. So what is the total number of chromosomes? 46 or 23 pairs, right? So earlier we discussed this topic. Out of this 22, out of these 23 pairs, 22 pairs are autosomes and 1 pairs of chromosomes are sex chromosomes. So 22 pairs are autosomes and one pair are what? allosomes or sex chromosomes. Okay, next point. Sometimes, though rarely, either an additional copy of chromosome may be included in an individual, or an individual may lack of one of any one pair of chromosomes. So here what happens? Sometimes, though rarely, either an additional copy of a chromosome may be included in an individual, or an individual may lack of any one pair of chromosomes. Either gain or loss of chromosomes or takes place. Right? Okay, next point. These situations are known as trisomy or monosomy of a chromosome respectively. So here what given, there are two important words you need to remember: trisomy or monosomy. What is meant by trisomy? Trisomy means, so generally chromosomes are which stays in our body, that is in diploid condition 2n. Okay, 2n plus 1 condition is called trisomy. So what is meant by trisomy? Extra chromosome is added. That condition is called, gain of the chromosome is called trisomy. 2n plus 1 diploid condition plus 1 extra chromosome is added. That is called trisomy. And next one, monosomy. Monosomy means what? 2n minus 1 means chromosome is depleted. The chromosome is deleted. Loss of the chromosome is called monosomy. Right? So trisomy and monosomy. Trisomy means 2n plus 1. One extra chromosome is added. So monosomy, 2n minus 1. So one chromosome is deleted. That condition is called monosomy. Trisomy and monosomy. Both are also causes syndromes. Either extra chromosome also adding also syndrome causes syndrome. Either one chromosome, loss of chromosome also causes syndromes. That is called monosomy. Right? Okay. Next point. Such a situation leads to very serious consequences in the individuals. So either trisomy or monosomy leads very serious consequences in the individuals. Those are such type of diseases or syndromes or disorders are Down's syndrome, Turner's syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome are the common examples of chromosomal disorders. So Down's syndrome and Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndromes are the common examples of chromosomal disorders. Up to this clear? So once again I am revising from starting onwards, right? So today also I didn't make the notes because NCRT points are the more than enough, because in NCRT clear explanation given, just a copy from NCRT textbook all the points. Okay, point wise. So first one, chromosomal disorders. These are non-hereditary disorders, and these disorders are also called syndromes. Okay, right. The chromosomal disorders, on the other hand, are caused due to the absence or excess of abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosome. So, chromosomal disorders, what is the reason for the chromosomal disorders? Either extra chromosome is added or absence, either gain or loss, or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes causes disorders, that is syndromes. Okay, next point. Failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division cycle results in the gain or loss of chromosomes. So either gain or loss of chromosomes it causes. There is different types of the syndrome. So what is the reason for that? Failure of segregation of chromatids at the time of cell division, right? And this is called aneuploidy. What is meant by aneuploidy? 2 marks question. Failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division results in the gain or loss of a chromosomes, right? Okay, for example, Down syndrome results in the gain of extra copy of a chromosome 21st. So for 21st chromosome, but the chromosome number 21, there is extra chromosome is added that causes Down's syndrome. And in the same manner, in Turner's syndrome results due to loss of an X chromosome. So in the Turner syndrome, X chromosome is lost. So that only either gain or lost, that is aneuploidy, and obviously it causes syndromes. Okay, right. Next point. Failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division results in increase in a whole set of chromosome in an organism, and this phenomena is called polyploidy. So polyploidy generally observed in the plants. So the whole set of the chromosomes are changed, that is called as polyploidy. Poly means many, so in one chromosome only changed, that is called as aneuploidy. Okay, right. Next point, the total number of chromosome in a normal human cell is 46, 23 pairs of chromosomes. Out of this, so how many autosomes are there? 22 pairs are autosomes and one pair is allosome, right? Or sex chromosomes. Sometimes, through rarely, either an additional copy of chromosome may be included in an individual, or an individual may lack of any one pair of chromosomes. These situations are called trisomy and monosomy. What is meant by trisomy? Additional copy of chromosome may be included in an individual, that is called a trisomy. And what is monosomy? An individual may lack of any one pair of a chromosome. So trisomy with trisomy indicates with 2n plus 1, and monosomy 2n minus 1. So extra chromosome is added, that is called trisomy, and one chromosome is depleted, that is called as lost, that is called as monosomy. Both are also causes syndromes, you need to remember, right? Okay, such a situation lead to very serious consequences in the individual. So whenever trisomy condition and monosomy, both conditions are going to be leads going to be syndromes, right? And Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, and Klinefelter syndrome are common examples of chromosomal disorders. Up to this clear? So in the chromosomal disorders also two different types, that is autosomal and allosomal. Autosomal example is Down syndrome, and allosomal syndromes examples are Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome. So in next class, we are going to discuss about, so what is Down syndrome, Turner's and Klinefelter syndromes, what are the symptoms, we will discuss. Hope all of you understood up to this class, right? Thank you very much. Bye bye.